guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to copy paste the data in Excel using C# code in Power Automate Desktop. So please watch this video till the end so that you can understand it completely. And if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. So let's get started. In Power Automate Desktop, if you want to work with the C# code, you need to use the run.NET script action, which is available under the scripting category. And if you want to work with the Excel file, in that case you need to include the Microsoft.Office.interop.excel library. Apart from that, you need to include certain DLL files as well. interop.microsoft.office.interop.excel.dll and system.data.datasetextensions.dll. So these are the two files which needs to be included in the run.NET script action to work with the Excel file. As you can see, these two files are available in the D drive and .NET packages folder. So I will include that folder in the references to be loaded. I will click on this folder. Then from here I will choose D drive and then .NET packages. I will just click on OK. So first of all, what we have done is we have created an object of the Microsoft.Office.interop.excel, right? And here we have set the visible property of this Excel app object to true, which will make the Excel application visible on the screen. After that, we will create an object which is workbook WB, and then I will use Excel app dot workbooks dot add. This line we will use to create a new workbook. After this, we will use this worksheet and we will create an object of it. And here we need to do the typecasting. For that, what we will do is we will just copy Microsoft.Office.interop.excel and then we will use .worksheet. And then we will use the workbook object .sheets, and in the square bracket I will define the index of the worksheet which we want to work on. Then I will put a semicolon. Now what we will do is we will write some data in the sheet. So I will use this worksheet object. Then I will use range. In the square bracket I will specify the range. Let's say from A1 to C7 I want to set a value. For that I will use value to property, and here I will write some data which is technical training. Then I will put a semicolon. Now consider that I have to copy this data, right? So what I will do is I will say worksheet dot range, and I want to copy data from A1 to A7, and then I will use copy function, which is copy bracket and then semicolon. After that, what we will do is we will use worksheet dot range, and here I'll specify the location of the cell where I want to paste the data. Let's say F1 dot, and then I will use paste the special function. In the bracket I will use Microsoft.Office.interop.excel .excel paste type. Then I will use Excel paste all, and then I will put semicolon. Once we copy the data and paste it, you will notice that at the source you will have a circle around it, right? To get rid of that, we will use Excel app dot cut copy mode equals to, I will again use Microsoft.Office.interop.excel .excel cut copy mode .excel copy, and then I will put a semicolon. This line we use to release the data from the clipboard. I will click on save and then I will run the bot. Here you can see that code execution has been completed and data has been copied from A1 to A7, and you also notice that there is no circle around it. So this is how you can copy the data and paste it in Excel using C# code in Power Automate Desktop. If you like this video, please click on the like button and please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any question, please post it in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.